Good afternoon, everyone. Gabe Velazquez here with you, transparenttrading-solutions.com on a Tuesday, 26th December, day after Christmas. Hope everybody had a great holiday and had some time to relax. Markets are still going. I know a lot of people like to take the week off and all that, but there's some stuff still going on. In terms of data, there isn't anything. We do have quarterly expiration. NASDAQ just continues to roll all-time highs. S&P close on the cash to making an all-time high. That could happen by the end of the week. If again, barring any kind of big any kind of geopolitical stuff going on, with what's happening in the Red Sea and all that. That still is an ongoing concern. So not all clear. I mean, and especially with thin market conditions. So in any event, let's get right into the charts and just review a couple of markets here. So the first thing I want to do is mention. We want to mention gold. Gold, as you know, gold has been kind of quietly moving higher. We do have some potential for a short, also for a breakout. And again, this is due to the dollar. Maybe it's telling something else. Maybe it's some political situation, but looks like it's poised for a possible breakout, and also maybe a pullback here. So that's a market to be aware of. Since we're on the metal, silver, not so much. It's all gold. So what's interesting is, gold could be telegraphing something is afoot here with regards to that geopolitical situation. Also, in the energy space, we just had rollover in oil. That for now seems to be holding right at this level here at 76. And kind of just range trading. If it breaks above this high 77, then I think it goes to 80 very quickly. And again, maybe that situation there in the Suez Canal and all that, maybe. Also, rollover happening in nat gas. I mentioned last week that there was a possible breakout. That clearly didn't happen. We had a gap lower. We did try to, take this down all the way down to 234 basis the February, which is the new contract, but it's headed right back up again. So still not out of the realm here. I still believe, it still looks like it may eventually want to break out with what's happening in Europe, more or less. We're here in the U.S., not an issue there. I mean, we have ample supply of nat gas, but it's the European thing. They're starting to see some supply issues there, and obviously we are huge exporters to them. So it'd be interesting to see. We keep holding right here. You look at the sequence here. We pull back for now, seems to be holding at a higher level, and then maybe poised to break out. Who knows when that's going to happen, or if it is. Obviously, the other markets I wanted to pinpoint is wheat. That looks also poised to break out, and possibly soybeans. They're also going to roll over into the March contract. So these are markets there. Everything else really, dollar continuing to fall. This obviously has to do with gold. Mexican peso also looks like it wants to break out, and then other than the Russell, not really a lot to talk about. We've got S&P cash not at an all-time high. Got to make mention of that. We still have about 50 points on the SPX and about another 4 points in the SPY for it to be an actual all-time high. So we're still not there on the SPX, which is the cash index. Take a look here. The actual high, which I think we're probably going to have to make a new high on the cash index, and then we'll probably get a big correction. So you can see the cash index high is 48.21. We're sitting still about 40 some odd points away from that. So, maybe we get that before the end of next, we got what, 3 trading days. That was Wednesday, Thursday. We still have 3 trading days left in the year. So we'll see what happens there. Okay. Interest rates, nothing there. Just meandering into the dollar again, making a new low. We had but nothing dramatic here as well. And, who knows, again, with that geopolitical stuff, we could have a surge in the dollar as well. We don't really have anything till we hit that 100 mark, which I've been talking about. So I think there's a possibility we actually come down and touch that right down in here, that 99.50 low from back in the summer. So we'll see what happens. Okay. All right, you guys, I'm going to get out of here. Again, if you sign up for the newsletter, if you want to spend a couple of days free with me, again, just go to support@Transparent Trading Solutions, and we will set that up. I'm going to run some classes starting obviously after the new year next week, and so forth. So in any event, I will be here on Friday to kind of wrap the year up and so forth, and we'll go from there. All right, take care. Have a great rest of your week.